Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another update on Litecoin. It's good to see you all back here. I usually think that quite a lot of you watch all of these Litecoin videos because you're interested in Litecoin. I've had quite a lot of people who subscribe to me because of my Litecoin content, and yeah, welcome. I mean, I like covering Litecoin quite a bit. It's one of my favorite big cryptos out there. I think it has some long-term potential as well, but that's not necessarily what we'll talk about in this video. In this video, we will really zoom into the short term. We'll talk a little bit about the halving because that's coming closer and closer. I think right now it's in about 17 days. 18 days. All right, 18 days and a couple of hours. It's the 2nd of August still. Yeah, 2nd of August, kind of in the afternoon or in the evening for me. So that's still coming up, and right now you could still, like what I always said is that we would at least until the 15th of July, we would still get bullish momentum from that. And it's now the 15th of July, and at some point of time you will not be able to get any more bullish momentum from that, because there's always, with news like this, there's some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news. So it's bullish before the announcement, then it kind of falls flat, or you don't get any more moves because of the news before that. And then we actually fall after the event, right? So that would be the halving. That's usually what has happened. Perhaps, I mean, there's always a chance that we still will get bullish momentum, but the chances are decreasing significantly by the day. So that's what we'll talk about as well. I will just do a full update. But before we dive into that, as most of you know, I have my own Signal group as well. So if you actually want to get into trading, want to become a better trader while also receiving profitable trades, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, now to Litecoin. So the thing what we said yesterday was that there was some sort of a potential new impulse wave coming up, and that has been discarded because this is way too big of a pullback with the fourth wave. All right, so that's not anymore the situation, and what you can see all of a sudden is that right now the EMAs are actually fairly flat. So it all of a sudden it looks like we are consolidating between, that would be like $102 and then $93. It looks like that. The thing though is that there's still one bullish element holding us up, and that's the most important element out there, and that is this level. This level right, oh, I can actually not zoom in anymore, and I'm dragging fibs all over the place. But that's this level right here, around $94, technically between $93 and $94. So why is that so important? First of all, the trend line. Second of all, the 200 EMA. Third of all, it's a normal key level. This is the only level and the only thing that's keeping us bullish, because technically the EMA and the trend line are still below us, so we are bullish. So what would we? Wow, I cannot talk. Excuse me. Good morning. But what would we need to see to actually confirm that we are bullish? We would need to see this holding. All right. We don't necessarily need to see any bullish breakout yet, because it's the weekend. It's difficult to get bullish breakouts, but we need to stay on top of $94. We can go below it, but we should always close above it. And then we should, at the beginning of the week, on Monday, break above $98. That's the only way in which we could still get a Litecoin halving rally. First price target would probably be $106, second one $114, but that's the only way. And do I think this is a likely scenario at this point of time? To be fair, no, not really. I do still think, I don't know. It just, like, at this point of time, especially the bullish momentum we're getting off of this level, it just doesn't look like it's enough. So I would say, given all of the circumstances and also given the current price of Bitcoin, I would say this is the most likely scenario, but I would say it has like a 55% chance. And on the other hand, like I said, the most important thing is that we hold $94 as a support. If we are not able to do that, then we are consolidating or bearish at the worst, and then you could all of a sudden see a move down to $90 and $89. Which from there you could still get a spike up, but not a rally, not a bull run like we could get if we hold these levels. So I'll keep a close eye on that. I'll be back again Monday, I think, with another analysis. But for now, this is my kind of analysis, semi-prediction. Because like I said, I mean, I do think that bullish scenario is the most likely scenario, but it's close, all right? So be careful, but apart from that, have a great weekend. Thank you again for being here with this Litecoin video. If you're interested in more Litecoin analysis, consider subscribing. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.